Hi, welcome to today's Excel tip. At times, the best way to understand your data is to transpose it. Means converting your rows to columns and columns to rows. Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to set this table, right click and copy the table. Then let me select an area where there's nothing there. Here I want to transpose my table. I right click and I go to the paste options and I go to the transpose. After clicking on the transpose, my columns have been transferred into rows and rows into columns. So here we go. Now data is better read this way than the previous way of having the trains on the left hand side and the computations on the right. Now we can look down at each train column and understand the duration of the train. Try it out and let me know how it goes.